Enjoy single-level living in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home at the Ridge, featuring tall ceilings, a propane fireplace, and a propane gas range for cooking. The open concept design features granite counters, tile backsplash, shaker cabinets, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and a glass shower door in the primary ensuite. A mini split heat pump provides efficient heating and cooling. Step outside to a covered back patio that overlooks the reserve tract. Enjoy permanent green space right behind your home. Located minutes from I-5 in downtown Blaine in a dog-friendly neighborhood with sidewalks, trails, and pet stations. Limited time savings, up to $5,000 seller credit plus 75% preferred lender credit.